Africa, the motherland, and the land of my mother and father who were born and raised in Ghana. Okay, now wait. Just in case Lion King sprang to mind, let me paint a more realistic picture. Ghana is not a place where elephants and lions casually saunter through your backyard, but it's a beautiful and vibrant country on the magnificent coastline of West Africa and has a rich history. Okay, now we've got that straight, back to my parents. Like many across the globe, my parents, looking to further their education, decided to follow their dreams and travel overseas to England, where their expectations of lush, rolling green hills of sheep and cows, castles and high tea, royalty and red letterboxes were abruptly adjusted when they arrived at their final destination. Nevertheless, they decided to stay and start a family. First came me, Afia, the light of their lives, followed by my younger sister Essie, my little brother Jojo, and my baby sister Amma. One day, my dad got a job offer he couldn't refuse, so we packed up our tiny flat in the city and moved to the leafy suburbs. The first thing I noticed was the absence of colourful graffitied walls, but the bright purple door and gate that came with the house certainly made up for it. Compared to my old school, a multicultural mashup of kids who dressed as they pleased, my new school with its uniforms felt a bit like a clone factory. Being first-generation Ghanaian and one of the only Afro-Caribbean kids in my school, I always felt different. Of course, Mum insisted it was because we were Ghanaian royalty back home and had nothing to do with the fragrant Ghanaian delicacies she insisted on packing in my lunchbox every day. My hair was another thing that stood out about me. Sometimes I'd try and blend in, but my mum's hot comb was no match for Mother Nature and the thick, kinky, coily tresses I'd been blessed with. It didn't take long for me to get over wanting to blend in, especially when it was so much more fun being uniquely me.